Guys, tusali.
Tukisali mnaimba online. Mnasali. Guys, so today was an amazing day. It was a day that we were doing rehearsals, right?
Yeah.
We were doing rehearsals at our choir in the church ministry, which we serve. After that, we went for a dinner, and after eating a dinner, what did we do next? We washed utensils. So this is the vlog showing that and portraying that. Welcome to this vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. It's gonna be hot. Peace out. There is no much talking because I didn't plan to vlog, and this time we are leaving right here.
Heading home.
I'm heading to my dormitory. She's heading to her home.
Yeah.
He's heading to his home. He has a family of one child and wife, which is a woman. So see you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. This video is amazing. It's gonna be amazing.
Everybody, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the cause of the moon. Milele na milele. Amina.
Naomba unipige picha ninapokula na vijiti. Sasa nimevishika vizuri sana.
Calm down. Oh, guys, tusali. Tukisali tuwe tunaimba na kwaya. Naona tuwe tunaimba na kwaya.
Mlikuwa mnaimba online. Mnasali online.
Kamsamida.
Watu nikapona.
Kamsamida.
Aya, zichukue hizo. Unanianisha.
Niko naonesha. Nashika hivi. Maji shika. Maji ya mnywe mengi.
Wewe unateseka. Fanyeni tena. Fanya tena. Inachukuliwa.
After evening, now we are washing utensils after eating. Yeah. Mambo kwa ushahidi. If we didn't record it, it was not recorded, it didn't happen. So yeah, this is the pillow here.
They say
Yeah.
I am the pillow of the year. Me and my friend.
Me and my friends
We was eating there.
was eating with tea.
He was eating with using this one.
Where? Show them. How
I
it is
take
done.
this. I put this here.
And
I take this one. And
Then
Teddy told me that you do like this. Do like this.
you do like that. And where is Teddy? Teddy is here washing your testicles.
That is the Teddy is this one.
This one is Teddy.
The washing woman. She said, I do like this.
If you want to
Yeah, ma.
I want me. Baba. I want to.
This is Baba.
Mjue safari yetu ya Korea mimi na Teddy tunaenda kufanya nini kama tunaenda kuosha vyombo tutaka nini? Wanataka sehemu. Sasa kwa sababu tumeamua sana.
In case you have watched the SpongeBob, you don't know the spatula. This is a spatula for SpongeBob, you know. Yeah. The one who is shooting with spatula. Unajua yule kocha vyombo hapo. At least unaosha umesimama, kuna hizo nyumba.
vile vinatupwa ila wanananiliwa. Unatenganisha uchafu.
Sasa sinaomba panade kidogo.
Listen.
Do you know how to use chopsticks?
Listen.
Yes, we know.
Listen now. Listen.
Sure. Yes, we know.
Thanks to our lovely, beautiful lady.
Anashindwa kuelewa.
Na baada hapo tukosha vyombo.
Sasa Venus ulikuja kufanya nini hapa? Venus ulikuja kufanya nini? Venus ulimkoa. Kuna hao wengine.
Nipeni mtoto wenu. Najua kuosha vyombo. Hatari mwana ukutani. Natosha kabisa hiyo na mtoto. bila wewe. So. Yeah.
Tulikuja hapa, tulipokuja hapa tuliambiwa tuje tule. Umeona? Sisi tunajua kama kumbe chakula tunachokula, tutakiwa tulipe. Sasa tumemaliza na tumeende tuoshe vyombo.
What are you waiting for now? Subscribe right now.